Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Welcome to 49. This beautiful home has been left empty for just a little bit too long. The water and the snow have gotten to it, and the woodpeckers have gotten to it.
Hey, David here, also known as Union. Maria's got quite the project going here. There's a lot of work to do on the outside. There's trim and windows and siding, the roof, we're even thinking maybe solar. Just getting the steps done right now. They look beautiful. And then we go to the inside. A lot of work in this project, but the house has great bones.
David and I are here to restore this beauty, and we want to take you along for the ride.